Now in this video we are going to create this pricing table. So you can see we have added our these pricing boxes right here, and now we are going to create this table right here. So this is very easy to do. So you only need to understand some little things. So let's see how you can create this table. So first of all, now go back to your Elementor, and now I'm going to create a new section. And first of all, I'm going to edit section and go to advanced and add a padding of 50 like this. Now go to widgets and I'm going to add a new widget table. So you can see we have lots of widgets comes with the name of table. So we are going to use this data table which comes with essential add-ons. Simply drag and drop this right here. And now you can see we have default data table right in front of us. And first of all, let's change the background color and the font. Go to style, and here you can change the width, and here you can change the header style. In the header style, you can change the background color to pink, and I'm going to change the typography to Poppins like this. And here you can also change the header radius like 5. You can see now we have little bit of radius in our header, but I'm going with 1 radius, or maybe I'm going to turn this off. Okay, now let's learn how you can create how you can edit these header things. So first of all, we are going to name it as features. Okay, in the header you can simply change this one to features. Now change this text to our startup plan, startup. Now change this plan to business. Now change this plan to premium. And now you can see we have the list of, we can show the list of features right here, and then we can show it is available in this one or not. Now let's go to content. In the content, you can see the first option is row. Then we have column. Where you can see ROW is equal to row, COL is equal to column. Now first of all, let's edit our first column. So this column is linked with this text. For example, if I'm going to change, you can, when you click on this area, you can change the content right here. For example, domain and hosting. And now you can see our first column is changed with our this column. And now you can see if you want to add an icon right here. So I'm going to go to Google and search for font SM4. Okay, so this is going to be our class. Simply copy this text and then paste it right here. Now you can see we have added our tick. For example, if I change this one to yes, because this domain and hosting is available in our startup plan. So I'm going to change this one to icon, for example this, and also this is available in business plan. Change this one to tick. Also this is available in premium plan. Change this one to tick. So now let's add a new row. So this time we can create a new row. Simply click on add item, and by default it automatically add a row. And now let's add a column. Create a new item and change this one to column. Now duplicate this item by 4 times because we have 4 columns, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now let's add a new feature which is going to be our storage. And our first column is linked with this one, and this is going to be our second column. For example, 1 GB. Let's select this one. 50 GB. Let's select this one. Unlimited. Again, so you can simply duplicate the row from here and then drag and drop right here. Now select any column, duplicate it and paste under the row. Now duplicate this one. So now we have 4 columns again, and this time we can play with bandwidth. Simply add a bandwidth right here And now let's see if it is available, or maybe you can simply type the text 100 GB, 500 GB, or the unlimited. Now again you can do this step. Let me do this step again. Now you can simply repeat this step. Let me copy this row, drag and drop right here, copy any column, drag and drop it right here, and then duplicate until this becomes 4 times. Now let's select this one. In the first column, let's change the free SSL, and now I'm going to add the tick icon. So okay, for now I want to add cross icon. So how can I add the cross icon right here? Simply I'm going to search for the cross icon font vessel, and so this is the code, copy, and I'm going to right click in the content. I'm going to paste it right here, and I want to make it check. Let me copy the check code and paste it right here. So this is how you can create this table with Elementor. Hopefully you know something new. If you find this video helpful, please let me know. And this is the only thing we left, our button and our text. So let's complete this one too. Now let me create a new button and paste it right here. Change the alignment to center. Name this one to contact us. Go to style, change the background color to pink. Change the typography to Poppins. Increase the size. Change the radius to 1, and now we are done with our button. Now go to this area, widgets, and add a little bit of space. Now let's duplicate this heading and then scroll down, then drag it right here. Now copy, paste the text, and now little bit increase the size. Okay, so now we are done with our pricing page. Hopefully you know something new in this video. See you in the next video.